Hey guys, it's Jack here, and today in this video I'm going to do a little TNT explosion. Aren't we, Dylan? If you oh no, we're being sucked out. If you can remember Dylan from one of my other videos, the Christmas special one. He's only been in that one. So, Dylan, quickly go sleep up in the space station, and we'll start this thing off. Yeah.
Where's my bed?
It was up in the space station. Just place. Yeah, I'll go sleep. Yeah, so what we're going to do is just a TNT, which is controlled by this switch here, and it goes to that mountain there. When shall we start it? In 3.
You got there.
Alright, in 3, 2, 1. Hit the switch. And there's the redstone. Excuse me.
Bye bye mountain.
Yeah, bye bye mountain. Oh my god. How long did we spend on this again?
Yeah, little TNT. About 3 hours.
Oh yeah. This is going to go missing now. And you can see holes over there. Jesus Christ. Yeah, let's go over to it. Whoa. Get some night vision.
Oh!
Where are you? I see you. Night vision. Whoa! Warn me when you explode stuff. Oh my god. We literally destroyed this mountain.
That's all of it.
No, there's still a couple more. Right where I am.
I'm sticking down to the bed.
Alright. We've exploded some more.
Gone. Oh, you've gone.
2.
All got good, but it all lagged away.
Dude, I see some more. And more.
Bye bye.
2, there's loads that haven't been exploded yet. 3. Jesus Christ. Some here.
Okay then.
There's literally loads here though. Dude, we literally destroyed this mountain. This is
On the little flower.
awesome.
Night vision.
What should we do in the rest of the video? Love some more stuff. I'm gonna go to my space station.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, and now I know what to do. How to make a rocket in Minecraft. So, okay. And there's a dog. So, what we need to do first to make a rocket is place down a regular piston. Yeah, a working rocket. Place down a piston. 3 slime blocks. Another normal piston. 2 blocks. Oh. Redstone block on top. Get rid of that one and that one. Place a sticky piston here. Place a redstone block going into there and there. Place a slime block there, and then you've finished.
That.
3 blocks up.
Now redstone here and here.
Yes.
put a block there. Normal piston going down.
No, a sticky piston going down.
A sticky piston going down.
And a normal piston going up.
Normal piston going up.
And then put 2 slime blocks.
Like
Yep.
that.
Then you've done.
Then you need a flint and steel.
And then set it off.
You need to light it and then jump on top.
Yep.
Bye!
I'm going up to my space station. Hi. Mine's 1 block up from yours. Oh. This is awesome. Houston, we have a problem. I see an Ender Dragon riding one of our ships. Hi. Through my. I'm gonna try and throw a potion of harming at you. Yep. Yeah. That's not very cool. Oh, just about to go into my space station. Bye, dude. Ah! I fell out.
Great space station. Uh-oh. Houston, we have a problem.
What is it? What is it, man?
We are stuck.
This is Houston. What's your problem?
We are stuck on a rocket ship next to the space station. Over.
Okay, get out of your rocket ship and fly towards the space station. Over.
I will have to jump. Bye.
Okay, over and out. Is everything alright? Over.
Where's the ladder? Over.
There's not one. You have to make your own. Over.
Bye.
I'll meet you on the space station. Over. Damn it.
Hello.
Hello. You. Oh.
Oi. Let me take a picture.
You're right.
Where's the mountain? There it is.
We can see your ship.
Look at this speed. Come look at this speed. Look at this speed.
Do you think I can hit the water from all the way up here?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna try. Oh! I forgot about this. Remember this? My trick jump.
The igloo that I bombed.
Ha.
Like ISIS.
Yeah.
I shouldn't have said that, should I?
Doesn't matter. He didn't mean it.
Yeah, but what if they watch this? Then we're both screwed.
They don't know where we live.
They will track us.
They
And
can't.
eat us for their breakfast.
Dude, look where my things landed. Remember when I threw
Well, what?
a load of stuff and it landed where you set off.
Where's that set off?
I want to blow up some more stuff.
So yeah guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!
This isn't the end of the video.
It is, because we're going to go into my world and make a huge TNT bomb.
Let's try and make a little TNT bomb now. Because we still got 10 minutes to go on this video.
Oh, no.
Okay, after we build the TNT bomb, then we're going to your world.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I'm making that my one out of wood.
12, 13, 14, 15.
What are you doing?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh yeah, if you didn't already know, me and Dylan are going to do a video every other day. So the next video will not be on Thursday. No, it can't be on Thursday. I meant Tuesday. Because I'm going to...
There's a guaranteed video on Sundays. In every other day there's a guaranteed video, but then if we're lucky, there'll be a video every day if we feel up to it.
Yeah. Dude, that is not a bomb. I want to help you. I want to help you.
Right. 1, 2,
Let me just set off my bomb first.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay. I'm just setting off my bomb. Let it just burn through. It's like a big fuse. Wait, fire spreads off. There we go. It started to burn through, sir. What shall we do?
Laugh my head off and watch it.
We can't do that, sir. Because, well, it'll blow us up. Should we brace ourselves, sir?
No, we shall run. Let us set it on fire. Run.
No. That was awesome. Permission to scream really loud, sir.
Permission denied.
Permission to dance a happy jig, sir.
Permission accepted.
Yay.
Okay guys, we'll catch you back in a minute. We're just going to pause the video here and then catch you back when it's finished.
Okay. Okay, we're back, guys. So, what we've done is we've finished the sides. Now we're doing the inside. Dylan's doing this side, and I'm doing this side. And after we do that, we're going to cover the whole thing with things that look like TNT. So I'm gonna make it look a lot like TNT, and then just blow it up.
Yeah, very true.
What?
Yeah, very true.
Yay.
You paused it.
What?
You paused it.
I've unpaused it.
Pause it. Bye bye.
See you in a bit. Okay, guys. See you in the next video. Goodbye.